Hello, welcome to Kofi Dress class. Please, if today is the first time of coming to this class, please be seated, subscribe, and be part of this class. And for my subscribers and those who have been watching my videos, thank you very much for always coming along. Get seated and let's start. In today's lesson, today we are going to develop a square pyramid. We are going to develop the surface of a square pyramid. So now we have the square pyramid here. You can see from the bottom here, or the base is square. So this is the square pyramid which we are going to develop the surface today. This is a square pyramid. So we are going to develop the surface of a square pyramid. So now we have this the side of the square to be 45 millimeters. That is 4.5 centimeters. 45 millimeters. So we will first draw our square. So we draw one side. Then after drawing this with your set square, just extend this. Good. Now, with your compass, you measure the side, which is 45 millimeters. Just take measure 45 millimeters. Then you mark. Then with your T-square, you move your T-square. Then you draw your line. Then with your set square, good. So we have this to be our square. Then you will number. So here it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you join here. From here, draw a line. To get the plan. So we have the plan here. Now when you look at this figure, when you look from the top, this is what you see. You see the center here, which is here, and you see these lines 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the plan of the square pyramid. Now we are going to draw the front view or front elevation. Then now with your T-square, just move your T-square to here. You join here. Then with your set square, from the center here. So with your T-square and your set square, just draw a faint line like this. Now we have the height of the pyramid. The height to be 70 millimeters, which is 7 centimeters. So you measure your 70 millimeters. So from here, you mark your 70 millimeters. Then you join these lines from here then from here so we have this to be the front view of the square pyramid. Then after drawing the front view, then you move your T-square to the center here. Then you draw a faint line to this side like this. Then with your compass, at this point, at the center, you open your compass to this end, that is point 3 here. Then you draw an arc. So here. Then with your T-square and your set square, let's extend this line a bit because we need this. Yeah. So now with your T-square and your set square, at this point here, then with your T-square and your set square, then you draw a line from here to here, because now we are going to draw the development of the surface, and we need the true length of the square pyramid. Need the true length. The true length is the distance from here. The true length is the distance from here to here. This is the true length, and to get that, you can't get it from the front view or the front elevation. So your compass, let me aim this point to be point A. That is the center. That's point A. So at point A as the center, you open your compass to here. Then you draw an arc to this line. But you first draw this line with your T-square. Then you draw your arc to this end. Then you with your T-square and your set square, then you draw this line up to here. So now we are going to draw the development of the surface. So you draw a straight line from this point to here. From here yeah, so we have this to be the true length of the surface. So you just mark a point here, as the center. Then you measure this. Then at this point, the center here, then you draw an arc. You draw an arc like this. Then with your set square, just join here. From here, just draw a line to the center here. Then You measure one side of the square. One side of the square. So let's take this. Or you measure 45 millimeters. That is the side of the square. Then you mark 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then with your set square or your rule, you just draw lines from here, from this point to the center like this. Then from here to here. Then from here to here. Then the last. Then from here to here. Then you join here, you draw the lines from here to here. To here. To here. And this. To here. Then you number it. Here is 1. Here is 2. Here is 3. Here is 4, and we have 1. So after you mark this, then you join these lines. You draw a straight line because the base is square, so you can't leave it like this. You draw a line from here to 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, then to 1 to get the development of the surface. So first, you draw your square. You number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you draw a line from 1 to 3 and 2 to 4. Then you extend these lines, and also from the center you draw a line. Then you draw with your T square, you draw a straight line to this end. Then measure the height of the pyramid, which is 70 millimeters. You mark it, then you join these lines to get the front view or the front elevation. Then at point A, you open your compass to 3. You draw an arc to this line, to this end. Then with your T square and your set square, you draw a line up to this line because you have a line here. And you open your compass from this end to here to give you the true length of the true side of the pyramid. Then you can choose any place. We just make a point or a center. Then with your compass, you measure this. Then you draw an arc. After drawing the arc, just measure one side of the square and mark the arc. Mark 4. Then after marking it, then you join these lines. Then you number 1, 2, 3 to 4 and 1. Then you join from 1 to 2. You draw a straight line 2 to 3, 3 to 4, then 4 to 1 to get the development of the surface. So this is how to develop a square pyramid, to draw the surface of a square pyramid. You have the plan, the front view, and the development of the surface. So now when you open this, you are going to see something similar like this. So we are going to open this and see if we are going to see the same thing here. Let's open this and see. Have our tape here. So from here, yeah, look at it. So we have this to be the development of the surface. Now we have the lines here. You see, we have the lines here. You can see this line 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So if you want to form the square pyramid, you join 1 and 1. It's like this one. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So you join these two sides, that number 1 and number 1. So when you join it, when you fold it, that is how this how see we have the square pyramid, and this is the development of the surface. Guys, thank you very much for coming along. Please, if you are new here, please subscribe and be part of this class. And for my subscribers and those who have been watching my videos, thank you very much for always coming along. Share my videos with your mates, and let's keep on drawing. Without drawing, there will be nothing on this planet Earth. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.